In 73 BC, the Roman Republic faced a rebellion that began with slaves and would grow into a serious military threat.
These men were gladiators, forced to fight for entertainment in brutal arenas across the Roman world.
One gladiator named Spartacus refused to accept a life in chains and dreamed of freedom instead. He and a small group of fighters escaped their school, armed only with kitchen tools and desperate courage. Their numbers quickly grew as slaves from farms and towns joined their fight for freedom. Soon, what began as a small escape turned into a growing rebel army moving across southern Italy. In Rome, leaders underestimated the rebels, believing trained soldiers could easily crush a slave uprising. They sent a small Roman force, confident it would end the rebellion quickly and without difficulty.
Press on! We have them!
With every victory, the rebels gained confidence, weapons, and more followers willing to fight. Rome now sent a larger army to destroy Spartacus once and for all. Spartacus led his growing force to the slopes of Mount Vesuvius. The Roman army surrounded the mountain, trapping the rebels at the top. Behind them were steep cliffs, too dangerous to climb down safely. The Roman commander believed hunger would force Spartacus to surrender. But Spartacus noticed something the Romans failed to see. Wild vines covered the steep volcanic slopes of the mountain. He ordered his men to quietly cut the vines in the darkness.
They twisted the vines into ropes strong enough to climb down.
At night, darkness hid their movements from the Roman guards below. One by one, they climbed down the steep, unguarded side. Thousands descended silently while the Roman army slept nearby. They reached the ground behind the Roman camp without being seen. Before dawn, Spartacus prepared his men for a surprise attack. At sunrise, the rebels charged into the Roman camp from behind. Roman soldiers woke in confusion as rebels stormed their tents. The camp fell into chaos as Romans rushed to grab weapons. The organized Roman lines collapsed under the sudden assault. Many Roman soldiers fled, abandoning their camp and supplies. The rebels captured Roman weapons, armor, and valuable equipment. Spartacus now led a stronger and better armed fighting force. In Rome, news of the defeat caused fear and panic. Senators realized the rebellion was now a serious threat. Spartacus knew the volcano had saved his army from defeat. The mountain meant to trap them became their path to victory. After this, the rebellion spread wider across Roman lands. And it all began with one daring escape from a volcano. Subscribe for more epic true battles and press the bell icon. The Last War page.